कांग्रेस ने हमेशा दलितों को डराया, कभी आदिवासियों को डराया, कभी अल्पसंख्यकों को डराया। आज भी ये कभी लोकतंत्र को लेकर, संविधान को लेकर, आरक्षण को लेकर भांति भांति का झूठ फैला रहे हैं, भांति भांति का डर दिखा रहे हैं।
लारा दत्ता ने की पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी के साहस की तारीफ। लारा दत्ता ने पीएम मोदी के राजस्थान स्पीच पर दिया बयान। लारा दत्ता फिलहाल अपनी अपकमिंग सीरीज रणनीति बालाकोट एंड बियॉन्ड के प्रमोशन में बिजी हैं। जहां देश में चुनाव की चर्चा जोरों शोरों से है, वहीं पीएम मोदी की राजस्थान में दी हुई मुस्लिम कोटा पर ये स्पीच वायरल हो गई है।
कांग्रेस ने हमेशा दलितों को डराया, आरक्षण को लेकर भांति भांति का झूठ फैला रहे हैं, भांति भांति का डर दिखा रहे हैं।
आपको बता दें, पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी has slammed Congress over Muslim quota and OBC quota during his Rajasthan speech, और इस पर लारा दत्ता ने दे दिया ये बयान।
You can't keep weighing and treading on eggshells just because you don't want to upset one side or the other side. Somewhere down the line, you have to be true to what your truth is.
Zoom से हुई खास बातचीत में लारा दत्ता ने पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी के साहस की तारीफ की और कहा कि हम सब ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं और हर समय सबको अपीज कर पाना भी चैलेंजिंग है। Just as actors aren't immune to online criticism, neither is the Prime Minister of our country. लारा दत्ता ने पीएम मोदी के करेज की तारीफ की और कहा कूडोस। She also mentioned कि ultimately जो हम बिलीव करते हैं उस पर हमें स्टैंड भी करना चाहिए।
PM Modi's speech at Rajasthan, became viral because he said something, and it was, of course, taken in a certain context, and people, netizens especially, started trolling him and started having his own thoughts, their own thoughts on that. Do you feel that the PM, being PM, should be a bit careful of what he's trying to portray because he's serving the entire nation, or it's okay completely because he's trying to, even, of course, have his own elections in a way?
This is what I'm saying, right? That it's very difficult for we are all human beings at the end of the day. It is very difficult to keep all the people happy all the time. And if we are not exempt from trolling, neither is the PM of this country, But I think all of us take that in our stride. You can't keep weighing and treading on eggshells just because you don't want to upset one side or the other side. Somewhere down the line, you have to be true to what your truth is, what you believe in, So, and if he has the gumption to be able to do that, well, kudos, and at the end of the day, you have to stand by what it is that your beliefs are.
I'm central. Right. Lara ma'am.